In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the touchscreen is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just grab your Samsung phone and remove any screen protector which you might have applied on your phone. Now if you have applied a cheap or thick screen protector, this can interfere with the working of the touch panel of your phone. So just remove any screen protector and also remove any hard case which you might have applied on your phone. Then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just perform a forced restart on your phone. To do that, just press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time. Now just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons. And once you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. Now, after the forced restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.